Hey everyone, Sutter here, and we're today another Pokemon TCG card opening. Yeah, I'm sorry if I didn't make a lot of videos this week. I've been really busy. Probably will be busy for next week. And the week after. So expect to be like only one video a week. So yeah, we're back. I don't know what to do. More Okar openings? Yeah, sure. Let's see my collection then. I've been meaning to make this video for like a few hours, like literally 10 hours. My house. There's a lot of people there. Yeah, we got visited by a lot of people. So, yeah. We have... How many? Oh, so we have these three. We have one Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. Wait, is that... Oh, there's three of them. Three Ultra Prism from Sun and Moon. And we have like literally three reward items, so we'll open that first, then the Ultra Prism, then we'll jump into the final one with the Sun and Moon of Guardian Rising. I'm so sorry if I'm talking stupidly. I just got out from the shower and really tired. It's like nighttime. So yeah, you guys won't like me mumbling, so let's get opening. Let me turn on the volume real quick. And yeah, open. Oh, I have a card. 5 Poke Dollars, I don't know. And go. Ooh, Rayquaza. Cool. Wait, we have 2 more. Let's open another one. And boom. Oh, it's already opened. What's this? TV report. Draw 3 cards, then discard a card from your hand. If you have no cards in your hand, you can't play this card. Oh. Basically, draw 3, trash 1 from your hand. Oh, let's open another one. Oh yeah, sorry still if the quality is still horrible. Still can't make the computer screen recorder active, but let me just... Yeah. Is this better? Nope, it's worse. I'm so sorry for this. Yeah, let's open it. And 5 Poké Dollars and open it. Ooh, a Solgaleo. My god, I feel so stupid. How do I pronounce this? I'm not that a fan of Sun and Moon, but I've been a fan of Pokemon. But I didn't like the Sun and Moon series, so I didn't watch it or heard of the game. I just skipped to Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. Yeah, I bought the Pikachu one for nostalgia, don't judge me. I know a lot of people said Eevee was better. But hey, I love Pikachu. And I got this game. Seems neat. Anyhow, Solgaleo. Let's open the Solgaleo Ultra Prism from Sun and Moon series. First one. I didn't expect I had a lot of them. Like, I thought I only had 2. My lucky day, I guess. Okay. We have 1. Okay. First we have Water Energy. Nice, nice. Scorupsi. Yungus. Cherubi. Moralol. Lol. Baneri. A Looker Whistle. Search your deck for up to 2 cards named Looker, reveal them, and put them into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Well, I'm not a fan of those kind of cards. Oranguru, I don't know what that is. Drifblim, a Splendid, and Drumpa. My goodness, these sun and moons. Ugh. Let's open another one. Alright, we have another one. So, Fairy Energy, Alolan Vulpix, looks cool. Bronzor, Duopiter, Pachirisu, Alolan Sandshrew, still looks awesome. Monferno, oh, Order Pad, Identified Fossil. It looks like nope. I thought it looks like a Kabuto, but I'm kinda wrong. A Yanma and Licky Licky. Let's just open the last one. Ugh. I look at the screen and it looks horrible. I'm so sorry. Wait, let me fix this to make it look better. Kind of. Yeah, why not? So we have a Psychic Energy, a Bronzor, another Yanma, a Shinx, a Roselia that I haven't had, a Gibble. Oh, a Bronzong. We have the full evolution chain. Turturainator, Cronidos, whatever, Volkner, and we have... Ooh! A Dialga GX! Awesome! Look at that. Overclock. Draw cards until you have 6 cards in your hand. Not bad, not bad. Shred. This attack damage isn't affected by any... Wait, what? Affected by any effects on your opponent's active Pokemon. Oh, okay. So, literally immune to reduce damage and stuff while attacking. Now, the GX skill, Timeless GX. Take another turn after this one. Skip the between turns. Whoa, this is kinda OP. I might use it. Yeah, I might use it. Awesome, I got like my 5th, 6th, 7th GX. Looks awesome. Alright, our final card of the night. We have the Sun and Moon series Guardian Rising. It's not a dual pack, but hey, it's what we got. So let's open this. Ready guys? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Alright, we have Steel Energy, Clefairy, the ice cream thingy, Vanillite, Barboach, Rockruff, Helioptile, Gliscor, Hakamoa, Apatrat, a Clefable, we have the full evolution, looks awesome, and a Whiscash. Not bad. Not bad indeed. Water Pulse, your 60 attack, your opponent active Pokemon is now asleep. Landslip, 100 times, discard the top 3 cards of your deck. This attack does 100 damage to each energy card you discard in this way. The thing is, I will never use this card ever. Why? Firstly, the cost. Secondly, is we need to be lucky. Plus, we need energy. Literally, need energy. Anyways, I've been playing a bit of Versus to do my, those monthly challenges stuff. I think it... No, oh, you haven't reset it yet. Cool. Looks like I can still play a bit. Maybe if you guys want this video, versus battle video of Pokemon TCG, hit that like button and comment down below. let's end the video with looking at our Dialga. No. Yeah, I think it was Dialga GX. This is so awkward. It doesn't have any sound or anything. But I'll probably like edit background music. Ah, here we go. Oh, wait, wrong card. Here we are, Dialga GX. The pull of the night, of the day, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more of these Pokemon TCG, card openings, battles, or maybe deck reviews, tips, tips or tricks, hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, Saturday TTP, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, wait, what did I do? I think I have one more announcement. Oh yeah, in the spirits of 2 weeks after the New Year's, there will be a lot of anime, and so, as me as an otaku, I will probably make some otaku related videos like Welcome to Anime 2019, like for beginners wanting to go into the otaku community, people that are already in the otaku community but haven't had any more experience than just watching anime randomly. I used to do that, but I'm kind of one of the high-class weebs. High-class otakus, and those pro otakus which watch a lot of anime, which they prefer. Such as myself, I love fantasy, those romance not bad, like nisekoi not bad, but I don't like horror, like I can't, just like another or other, like Corpse Party is not that good for me. I don't like horror. So yeah, if you're looking forward for that video, comment down below as well, subscribe to my channel, like I said again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye! Wait, that's not my outro. Saturday is signing off.